Hey guys, today we are going to change a fender on this 2009 Honda Odyssey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is basically unhook the bumper so we can pull it back. So we're going to start taking out these pegs. The way you take these out, take like 2 small screwdrivers, stick them in here and start working it until you can pop that up, and then you can pull that out. All of the clips that hold this on need to be, so like this one, this one, this one, this one also need to come out. Now we can take out this same kind of clip here. We'll take this one out too. Now we're going to take out this screw here and this bolt right here. Okay, now we're going to take this piece of trim out. So you're going to open your door and then you're going to push it back this way and it'll slide out. It's held on by some clips back there. So you can see right there, it slides off those clips and pops out. Now we're going to take out the screws holding the inner fender to the outer fender here. So normally be this one right here. There'd be a little plastic clip like on the front of the bumper right here. Take out this screw right here. Turning your wheel can help you access stuff in here a little bit better. I'm not sure if this is like a plastic rivet or something or what, but I had to bust this one out because I couldn't find any way to take that out. So when I put that back in, I'll pick up an extra one of these plugs at the part store and stick it in there. Then I just pulled this down and back a little bit and then just pried like this in here so you can get to this bolt that's right there. Then we're gonna come up here and pull this rubber guard back a little bit. Now we've made access to all of our bolts. So we're going to take out that bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and there is a bolt that normally you would be able to access right through here. I'm going to have to come on this side. You can see it right there. And then the last one is that one that's right there. So you can take those out and then you should be able to pull your fender out and off and stick your new one back in. I'm gonna have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get more of those plugs right there, and a new fender off from Amazon if you want to. Feel free to check those out if you want. If this video was helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.